Okay, here's a quick tip for entering rhythms with keyboard shortcuts. I'm in Metronome. I'm going to go to the Edit Rhythm page. And you'll notice that over here we have this Saved Rhythms palette, which is currently empty. And you can save custom rhythms to this. So let me just clear everything in here. One of the things you might want to do is enter a group of 4/16ths like this. If you tap on Edit, you can remove, for example, the second 16th, and you'll see what the rhythm looks like here, or you could remove the third or the fourth. You can save these to the saved rhythms. So a quick way to do it on an iPad is to, for example, remove number 1 and then tap on here and choose Save Rhythm, and you'll see it appears down here. And if you're using a keyboard, you can use the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 to toggle these notes on and off, and you can use Command S to save. So I can work my way through, turn off note 2, Command S, you'll see it appears down here, and then turn 2 back on and 3 off, Command S, and I can very quickly work through all of those combinations. Now I'll take out 1 and 2, save, switch 2 for 3, save, so I can work through all of the different permutations very quickly to get all of the different rhythms that you might want. And then when it comes to adding the rhythms, you can just tap in here to add the rhythms that you want. Or if you're using a keyboard, you can use Option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to add these numbered saved rhythms here. If you're on an iPhone, you won't see the saved rhythms panel. Instead, you will see 3 dots here. When you save a rhythm to the saved rhythms panel, it will appear, and there'll be a back button to go back. But this is just a quick way of entering these kind of rhythms that otherwise you would have to add it, edit it, and change. So that's the Saved Rhythms palette in PolyNome.